got a lot of people out here lined up. That makes me very, very happy. This is absolutely great. This is the kind of thing that makes a city grow, is that partnership of business, city, coming together and making something like this happen.
3, 2, 1.
So we're here at the grand opening of Sprouts today, but we need to go back over 3 years ago to really talk about how this development happened. It was 3 years ago that we approached every property owners, and there were 4 of them here on the site, about selling their properties to MVG Development, that's now Confluent, to start the development of this site. The city and the Urban Renewal Authority participated a little over $3 million into this project to get the site for public infrastructure improvements. We regraded the site. It's been a long process, but it's fantastic. We want to welcome Sprouts, we want to welcome Starbucks, and soon we'll be welcoming Morningstar with their memory care facility to the site. It's a great day in Wheat Ridge.
A lot's changed on this site since some of us stood here back in October for the groundbreaking, and this has been kind of a 2-year combined effort to get to this point, and this has been a real poster child for what it looks like to work with the city and bring in a public-private partnership.
It's a great day for the community that so many people came out this morning for the opening of our Sprouts. It talks about that people want to shop locally, that it's great to have these developers who come into Wheat Ridge that are willing to develop here locally. They buy locally, and we want to offer as many opportunities for our citizens to have shopping opportunities within their community.
All right, thank you. We're the first customers.
This is really an exciting project for the city of Wheat Ridge. This corner has been blighted for many years, and so it's providing a new business. It's cleaned up the corner. We were able to reset drainage and landscaping, so it's just a great addition to the Kipling corner. Through the negotiations, what we found was there was a gap within the development that really made it really hard, next to impossible, if not impossible, for the developer to just come in and develop. So through the TIF funds, we were able to provide monies that would go towards public improvements. So that would be drainage, lights, traffic lights, giving more of a right-of-way so that people can easily pull into the shopping center. The money went to public improvements, and it's money well spent.
We're at a time where it costs an awful lot to build a place, especially a city like this, because we have infill, we have old buildings, we have ground that has to be cleaned up. That adds to the cost. It becomes part of all of our responsibility to get these new projects for our citizens. This is how we do it, and it's wonderful that we can do it.
It was an expensive site that had a lot of dilapidated buildings. It had some environmental concerns. We needed that cooperation from the city to be able to try and make it grow for all of us. The investment that we're going to be putting in this project, which is nearly $28 million, it wouldn't be done in the way that we needed to be done without some financial assistance from the city. And in this particular case, we used the tax increment financing to help us pay for some of those public improvements that the city wants to see, that everybody wants to see when you develop a new project.
I pulled up this morning and I saw lines of people, hundreds of them, ready to enter the store. It's fantastic that people want to come out and spend their money locally. That helps produce sales tax for our local community. These people really are going to support this project, and it's obvious by the amount of people here shopping this morning.
There you go. Have a nice day.
It's exciting to see new business in Wheat Ridge. It's exciting to see a business like Sprouts want to come to Wheat Ridge. So it's nice to see the vitality, and it's bringing this corner along wonderfully.
Revitalizing, renewing, reviewing, that's important. That's what every city has to have. You can't just walk along kind of, oh well, yes and no. No, you have to make it happen. And I'm very pleased that I'm just a tiny little part of an organization that makes it happen.